Today on Elite 5, the ultimate lifestyle guide, we discuss the top 5 essential items every traveler needs for long-distance car travel. Embarking on a long-distance journey by car can be an exciting adventure, offering the freedom to explore new places and create unforgettable memories. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip, it's crucial to pack the right essentials. Whether you're a seasoned road trip enthusiast or a first-time traveler, here are the top 5 must-have items for long-distance car travel. Comfortable and supportive travel pillows. Long hours spent in the car can take a toll on your body, making it essential to prioritize comfort. Invest in high-quality travel pillows that provide neck and lumbar support. These pillows not only ensure a restful sleep during overnight stops but also offer much-needed relief during extended hours behind the wheel. Be sure to stop and stretch often, and be sure to have plenty of space to help with circulation. Snacks and hydration. Maintaining energy levels and staying hydrated is crucial during long car trips. Pack a variety of healthy snacks such as granola bars, dried fruits, nuts, and trail mixes. Opt for non-perishable options that won't spoil easily. Remember to refill it whenever possible to minimize waste. Entertainment and connectivity. To beat boredom during long stretches of road, entertainment options are a necessity. Prepare a playlist of your favorite tunes or audiobooks to keep you engaged. Consider downloading podcasts or educational content to learn something new along the way. Additionally, bring along car chargers, portable power banks, and USB cables to keep your devices powered and connected. Emergency kit and safety equipment. Safety should be a top priority when embarking on any journey. Prepare an emergency kit that includes essential items such as a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, tire pressure gauge, and a reflective warning triangle. Familiarize yourself with basic car maintenance tasks, such as changing a tire, and carry the necessary tools. It's always better to be prepared for unforeseen circumstances. Navigation tools and maps. While GPS systems and smartphone navigation apps are commonplace, it's wise to have backup navigation tools. Carry physical maps, an atlas, or a guidebook to help you navigate in case of technology failures or limited network coverage. These tools can also provide a different perspective and allow you to discover off-the-beaten-path attractions. So, in summary, when preparing for a long-distance car journey, packing the right essentials can significantly enhance your travel experience. Comfort, sustenance, entertainment, safety, and navigation are the key aspects to consider. With these top 5 items, comfortable travel pillows, snacks and hydration, entertainment and connectivity, emergency kit and safety equipment, and navigation tools and maps, you'll be well equipped for a memorable and stress-free adventure on the open road. Remember, proper planning and preparation led to the ultimate road trip enjoyment. Thanks for watching Elite 5, the ultimate lifestyle guide, and please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Happy travels!